I'm waiting for the serial number 72.
Serial number?
72.
72.
Yes.
Up you come. Anyway, take out that item number 72. We'll hear her first. Both the councils have been coming every day in the morning. Yes.
Lordship, my submission is that the kindly see the annexure 8, last paragraph. May I proceed?
No, what is this case about? You have come here for what?
I am coming for to join the post of the headmaster, whereas I am already granted the said post. But due to some charge, I am not.
Direction and for quashing of a
leave
part
from
of the
the
order
post.
dated 2-3. Annual increment has been stayed and further direct the respondent to allow the petitioner to join. Where is that? Which part of the order? It is annexure 1.
Annexure 1 and 2. 1 is compliant. Kindly see annexure 8. Annexure 8 of supplementary law.
Yes. The regional deputy director education. What has he said? उपरोक्त वर्णित स्थिति में समीक्षोपरांत श्री सिंह के भविष्य के लिए चेतावनी के साथ उनके असंचयात्मक प्रभाव से स्थगित. So therefore the order has already been passed, Madam Counsel.
Already been passed, and then the petitioner has not joined the said post of the headmaster.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we have said in a counter affidavit, he is not handing over the financial and other charges to the present headmaster in which he's headmaster of the school in which he is posted, and he has already been granted graduate trained scale as assistant teacher, and therefore only once he hands over the charge to the present headmaster he can go and join Asadpur. But with respect to promotion to headmaster, that has been refused. He has not been granted promotion to the post of headmaster. Only graduate trained scale was granted to him in 2017, Your Lordship, and that he is getting even if he retires from Asidpur where he is now. That scale he is getting, and
He was in charge headmaster when the trees were felled.
Your Lordship,
Is that okay?
in charge was because there was no headmaster at that relevant time. Therefore,
Honorable High Court already given him, granted him to join the post of the said headmaster.
The
but
High
due
Court
to the some charges he was.
The High Court can't do that.
No, kindly see annexure 2.
Annexure 2, yes.
माननीय उच्च न्यायालय पटना में किसी WJC द्वारा मीडिया व उसके बाद जनार्दन सिंह का भी है, और kindly see the petitioner is at serial number 4. श्री जनार्दन सिंह मध्य विद्यालय हाजीपुर से उनको उत्कृष्ट मध्य विद्यालय असादुलपुर.
नहीं आपने देखिए look here, you can't make a statement like this, Madam Counsel. You are a young person. Please read the annexure and then say. The order is only with respect to payment of graduate trained scale on pro rata basis. That's all.
There is also written प्रोन्नति के साथ नियमवादी 2011
निम्न अंकित विद्यालय में योगदान की तिथि से पदस्थापित किया जाता है. प्रोन्नति देते हुए स्नातक प्रशिक्षित विज्ञान कोटि के पद पर ग्रेड 3 PB2 ग्रेड पे 4000 में 2013 से आपको दिया जाता है. हेडमास्टर का कहाँ है?
Your Lordship, we have stated in a counter affidavit.
Then that's all right. Where
he is deserved and already granted the
no, that you are not come here for that. We are not focusing on that issue. We are not addressing that issue altogether. So what I do is that I dispose of this writ petition with the direction that in case you hand over the charge to the regular headmaster, you shall be permitted to join before your retirement. That's all. Nothing more can be given. Likhe. Heard? What is your name?
Shweta Raj.
Heard MS Shweta Raj, learned advocate for the petitioner, and MS Vinita Singh for the estate. The petitioner initially had come for quashing of the part of the order dated 2/3/2019 contained in Annexure 1, whereby the grant of annual increment to her was stayed. The petitioner now confines his prayer only to the extent that he be allowed to join duty in the school where he is posted, because he is shortly to superannuate. MS Vinita Singh, learned counsel for the state, however, has pointed out that the petitioner was the headmaster of the school
in charge.
Was the in charge headmaster of the school when an allegation was settled on him that he got certain number of trees felled without taking proper permission. Stuff. Ultimately, it was decided that if the petitioner pays the amount of the valuation assessed of those trees, the proceeding against him shall be withdrawn. Stuff. An amount of 45,000 has already been paid by the petitioner towards the cost of the felled trees. Stuff. The proceeding against the petitioner has been stopped by the order of the district program officer as also the regional deputy director education, Tirhut range, Muzaffarpur. All that the petitioner is required to do is to hand over the charge and all the documents to the regular headmaster of the school. Should he do so, he shall. It is directed that he shall be allowed to join in the school in the school where he is posted. This writ petition is disposed of with the aforesaid direction and observation.
Obliged.